Hi everyone, this is Shankar K. Today we will learn about the sleep. So it is under AC machines. Sleep is very important in AC machines. So I will tell you clearly about the sleep concepts. Sleep. First of all, I want to tell you about the definition of sleep. What do you mean by sleep? Sleep is the difference between synchronous speed and rotor speed. By seeing this diagram, there are mainly two parts, stator and rotor. So it is a synchronous motor. The difference between synchronous speed. Synchronous speed means another name for synchronous speed is the speed of the stator frequency. So when we are giving the supply, three-phase supply, there are some currents passing in the stator winding. So when supply is given to the stator winding, then the immediately current passes through the stator winding. Then these currents are rotating with the frequency of the given supply. So the input frequency is the stator frequency. That stator frequency speed is called synchronous speed. Synchronous speed formula is 120 F by P. Ns means synchronous speed, 120 F by P, where F is the frequency, input frequency, P means number of poles. The synchronous speed is mainly depending upon input frequency and the number of poles in the stator. The synchronous speed is depending upon these two parameters. Slip speed means the difference between synchronous speed and rotor speed. Synchronous speed means the speed of the stator. Next, coming to the NR, rotor speed. Rotor speed means the rotating rotor speed means this is the rotor part. The speed of the rotor is called NR. The difference speed between the stator and rotor is called slip. So that is between the air gap. So this is the slip speed. Now coming to the slip. The slip is defined as the ratio of slip speed to the synchronous speed. Already defined the slip speed, that is equal to ns minus nr. So it is the ratio to the synchronous speed, ns minus nr by ns. That is completely called slip. So this slip is mainly in the AC machines. It is very important parameter in AC machines. By defining the parameter slip from this slip formula, we can define the performance of a machine. Okay. So now coming to the percentage slip, simply multiply with the 100. So it is known as percentage slip. At the starting time, the machine is rotates with the 0 speed. So I mean the rotor speed is 0 at the starting time. At the starting condition, nr is equal to 0, then slip is equal to ns by ns. So it is equal to completely 1. When s is equal to 1, I mean s is equal to 1 at the condition of starting. Starting means with the 0 speed. When the speed is 0, s is equal to 1. If the rotor is also rotates with the synchronous speed, for example, rotor is also rotates with the synchronous speed, then what happened? nr is equal to ns. Then by differentiating the same parameter ns minus ns, it is also ns. So by equating these equal so completely 0, so slip is equal to 0. So finally I am saying that when slip is equal to 0, it is the rotor rotating with the synchronous speed. When the slip is equal to 1, the rotor is rotates with the 0 speed. So when at the starting condition it is the 0, so slip is equal to 1. If it is rotates with by gaining the rotor speed to the synchronous speed, then it is equal to 0. Slip is 0. So mainly two parameters, s is equal to 0, s is equal to 1. S is equal to 0 means rotor is rotates with the synchronous speed. S is equal to 1, then the rotor is at starting condition. This is completely all about the slip parameter. So we will discuss the in depth of slip in the future classes. Thank you again. If you have any doubts about the slip, please comment in the comment box. I can reply with the satisfied answers. Thank you very much.